Hello, and today I would like to make a new design of a fire truck, so I did. And for starters, I am gonna tell you that it's a good one, so, all apart from old versions of Fire Station 7208, and the Lego new fire station. I can't remember what it's called, but I think it starts with 600. I don't know how many zeros there are because I don't care what zero and how many zeros. So I'll just start with the list, which the cameraman put it on the camera so I can remember. Okay. New model, special design, 7208, partly, 3 axles instead of 2, because you know that the Lego 08 does have 2 axles instead of 3, but I wanted to make it look, more, I want more to have old style pieces, but apart from new style pieces and everything, just classic pieces, Lego. So then, old welded fire stations and other Lego fire sets which are included to 2013 and now, but I think that they're very hard to find in Europe, but in Montenegro I think it's very hard to find one of those, but in the United States of America you can find. But I think that people, if they have children, they will be buying. If the children are boys, 2 boys, then grown-ups buy them Lego sets. But if there are 2 girls, 2 sisters, you buy also Lego. The parents will buy also Lego, but the Legos for girls, not the Lego City series. City series have old style, new style, and the middle versions. So, Lego is always having first the old style, then the middle style, and then the new style. So, you can't really remember, but the United States of America do have a lot of Legos, but now I think it's really hard to find so I'll tell you this what I started on the end when I read the list all to the end, so I'll just start. Okay. Yes. Where did I stop? Oh yes. 3 axles instead of 2, and that's when I started to talk about, how do you find in Montenegro the old style Legos and the new style Legos. So it's better, but I mostly like the old style Legos, the Lego Airport series with the red and white airplane, which is this long, I think, and the new style Lego cargo terminal, which comes with another cargo plane, with a cargo plane, which my dad said that it looks just like the one 7733, I think it's 7733, but yes, it's 7733, but I'm not sure, but I'll check that later. So now to move on to my list. Okay. difficult because look, every time you hook it up to your finger, it falls off, and that's a very, very bad feature. So if you're buying Legos, please look out the ones which don't break easily, and that's the most important thing. And always when you have Legos with these doors, please do me a favor. Open them gently like this. Like this. See? But don't do this. Don't do this. Too hard that way and then it'll fall off. So moving on, let's see. Yes, ladder digital compound control unit, and excuse me please of this annoying box compartment. Let's see now. Long fire hose unit, 30 centimeters, you see, long. And this is very dangerous because, this is very annoying because it takes a lot of time to roll it up, and this is very, very annoying. So it takes a lot of time, but it is very good job. As I said, the ladder digital control unit, here it is, inside. Let's see now. Special bucket, here it is, see? Because also extendable ladder, which I also said, see? It can go up, down, and the bucket can go that way, but it's normally like this, so the minifigure will stay stable. So you don't want a fireman to fall off the bucket. That's not good. Huh? Moving on. Moving on from this. This is also very annoying. And this roof of the truck. Oh yes, I haven't got to that, but I'll be telling you that a bit later. So let's see now. Mirrors here they are, which are very, very, very unusual to Lego because none of Lego sets were made with these mirrors. I'll just get that up. I'll just take this piece off so I can show you the truck. And here it is. Let's see now where they got. Opening roof, 2 seats, you see? 2 minifigs. I'll just take them out so you can see. See? Opening roof and two of these seats for both of them to see. This is one forest fireman with a big beard around his face. But moving on, this is a normal fireman. No Lego sets. And there is one at the new style Lego City 5 station. And yes, now let's see. Made on Lego van chassis. You see, these chassis are from the Lego Prisoner Transport old style. That's one thing. And let's see now. Yes, talkie-walkie on the right side. There it is. And hook for trailers on the back. So I finished the list, so I'm now gonna continue with the thing I told you that I was gonna talk about on the end. So